Yeah, Elizabeth, you are coming from Ghana. You are in Zimbabwe today. Our own experience, we've seen many people locally losing trust, especially with the taking up insurance policies, because there are problems with payouts by insurance companies. How best do you build trust for the insurance industry?
When it comes to the issue of trust, insurance companies are set up to pay claims. So, like you rightly said, when the promise to pay claims is not realized, then people lose confidence in the insurance system. But I believe a lot is being done in most developing countries to ensure that trust is rebuilt in our insurance industry. Okay, so insurance is part of the insurance industry is part of the financial sector, at least from where I'm coming from. It's part of the financial sector. Anything that happens in the economy has a bearing on the insurance industry. Insurance industries go out there to invest the premiums that we collect, so that if there is a claim, we can fall on that investment to pay back. So if the general economy is doing well, then when the insurers invest, they are able to get enough money to make good their promise. But if they invest and returns are not there, or let's say the interest rates are not as they should get, or even sometimes for long-term insurers, they have promised some paybacks. If they are not able to get the returns that they have to get, then it would affect their promise to pay claims, and it will affect trust. Also, insurers operate within the economic atmosphere of the country. If salaries are high or salaries are low, it would affect the performance, the financial performance of the insurance companies. If we've talked about inflation, if things are very expensive out there, insurers, go to the same markets that bankers go, any other person goes. It would affect their financial performance.
Why does it happen in countries like South Africa? It doesn't happen here.
Okay, so it comes back to product development and product design. Insurers will have to invest in research, because if another country is doing something that you don't have in your country but you think would benefit your country, you can look at it. You may not just import it wholesale, but you look at your own environment and try and design products that will, remember I talked about value for money. Those cash bags and those other benefits are good to have. They encourage the policyholder and build confidence. So yes, it's very good for insurers to be creative, to be innovative, to spend more in research and make sure that they are not just dumping products on the market, that at the end of the day, the policyholder will not see the benefits of it, but putting products that the policyholder can benefit from. Because let's say if you have a long-term insurance, a life policy, and you've contributed for a long time, and depending on the design of the product, you are not getting anything back, people will get fed up in paying. But if it's designed such that they can get some cash back from time to time, I was talking about what we call the partial withdrawals and things like that. But a lot of work will have to go into it. A lot of studies will have to go into it. In fact, in Ghana, before any product comes onto the market, it would have to be approved by the regulator. So the regulator also has actuaries that go into the product and make sure that the product will create value for the policy holder. So I agree with you. All of us would have to be creative. We have to be innovative. We have to learn what is happening out there and adopt those things that will suit our environment. We should not take the policyholder for granted. is very important, because the long-term effect is that they will lose confidence in the insurance industry, and we will all be out of job if that happens. Africa, from Asia, and from Latin America. We are having a biannual conference in Accra, Ghana in 2020. Ghana is hosting it, and I'm inviting all insurers and people in insurance-related fields to come to Ghana, to come and be part of this conference. The theme is increasing insurance penetration in developing countries. A lot has been said about this, but what are we really doing to ensure that we increase our penetration in our various countries? So I'm inviting all insurers and even non-insurers from Zimbabwe to come to Ghana September 22nd to 25th.